Hi, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll show you how I made this table. Actually it might take 2 videos to do it. In my last video I showed you the mitre saw and that's what I used to get these 45-degree angles on the top. So in this video I'll show you how I did it.
Okay, I've laid out my pieces of wood and I have the chop saw up the top. Just make sure it's on 45. So I've just measured that, but I'm going to determine that from the machine anyway. It'll determine what the 45-degree angle is. Okay, I've lined it up and I'm going to tighten this so it pulls it down nice and flat. Only measured just that bit because then it's going to determine the rest of it. Okay, I've done the same again. I've clamped it there. I've set it at a 45-degree angle that sits right there. Do the next bit, I'll put that on charge. I'm just going to have 3 going across. I'll mark it up so it's 2 centimetres in from the edge. That's where the biscuit's going to go. Biscuit joints are cut. These ones look quite good, but these ones are a little bit close together, apart from the middle one. Glue those 2 bits here and then get everything else ready to slot in place. I'll just put a clamp here because it was pulling it in the wrong direction with the strap. biscuits glued. Checking to see if there's any dents. There's a dent there. A quick and easy way to fill the gaps. Bit of glue. Bit of sawdust. 180 grit sandpaper into the gaps. And I'll give it a sand over at the end. Or should I put it on that base? Danish oil. Well, this has turned out really well using the Evolution miter saw. I was really able to get all the angles straight. What I'll do is I'll leave a link and a discount code in the video description below so you can get some tools from Evolution. You can even get the miter saw, it's really good. So all I've got to do now is to think about actually what I'm going to do with the legs. So in my next video, I'm going to make the legs for this and the base. I've got some wood that I can use, so stay tuned for next time. And again, thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.